Hey friends, today I bring you 4 easy everyday half updo. So let's jump in. For the first one, we want to make our parting and brush our crown section back. Then we want to select our crown section, brush it well so it's nice and detangled, and we want to tie it with a clear elastic like so. Then you want to make an opening and bring your ponytail through the opening up like that and tighten it. Then you want to select another section right below first one, adding hair from both sides of our parting, and we want to tie it under our crown ponytail like that. Make sure everything is nice and smooth from both sides. Tie it, make an opening through it too, and bring it up. Now you want to grab your first crown ponytail, make an opening and bring your second ponytail through it, tighten everything. If you need and your hair is thin, you can tease a little bit the roots, but for me it's okay. I'll use some wax spray for it and we're done. This is such a voluminous and beautiful hairstyle and so easy, right? Next one, pretty much all of these half updos works better on straight parting, so you want to select a section from one side of your parting, make sure everything is nice and smooth and tie it with a clear elastic, and repeat on other side. Then, bringing these two ponytails back, you want to tie them both with a clear elastic again, topsy-tail it or twist it, and our second half ponytail is ready. Next, select the crown section, bring it up for later, and then you want to select the section of hair from one side of our parting, use some wax or hairspray or gel and make sure everything is nice and smooth. Bring it back and you want to clip it for later, and you want to repeat on the other side. Make sure your sections are smooth and nice. Now you want to bring those sections together under your crown section and tie them both with a clear elastic. Tighten, use some hairspray to fix it in place. Release your crown section, brush everything. You don't need any headbands or anything because your hair is out of your face, but your hair is still down. For the next one, you want to select a tiny section from one side of our parting, bring it back, make sure everything is nice and detangled, and tie a mini ponytail like I'm showing, and repeat on opposite side of your parting. Now you want to add a little more hair to this section and you want to twist it away from your face and bring this twisted section back, clip it away for later, repeat on other side. You add more hair to the small ponytail section and you want to twist it away from your face, bringing it to your opposite twisted section. Tie them both together in the back and voila, you're done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's half-up hairstyles. This is so handy for summertime, right? Tell me please in comments down below which one is your favorite. But that's it for today. and see you soon in my next video. Bye!